in this video I will discuss how to find difference between two date excluding Sunday. Means suppose there are two dates given and we have to find out how many days lies between these two dates excluding Sunday. So there is a formula that is called network days international. By using that formula you can find out. So let me explain how you can do this. Firstly, you have to check the system date time. Okay, what is format of system date time? So here you can see that is month, date and year. So that format should be mentioned here. If in Excel you are mentioning a different data format, suppose you are mentioning this format. So this format is a very much different from this format. So this function is not going to work with this type of data type. In this case, your date time format for system and date time format for Excel both should be same. If both are same, then your function will work. If both are different, your function is not going to work. So let me show you. This is date and this one is some another date, and I have to find how many days lies between these two dates. So we have a function days. Now here end date this and comma start date this. Okay, just press enter. So here you can see we are finding a error. Why this error occurs? Because this date time format and this date type format both are different. Now let change the format of system. Okay, just click on adjust date time. So your control panel will be open. Now here you can see date time and regional formatting. Let change according to India. So here I have selected India, and also language I have selected India. Okay, so here India. Now here you can see the date format is already changed according to Indian region. Okay, now here you can see your date is automatically collected. Why? Because now system date format is same as per our Excel. That's why. Now talking about excluding Sunday, how we can calculate number of days between two days excluding Sunday. So for this we have a different function that is called here networkdays.int. Here start date, this is our start date, comma, this is our end date. Now here you can see there are various options. If you want to exclude Saturday and Sunday, then you can select first option. If you want to exclude Sunday, Monday, then that is 2. If you want to exclude Monday, Tuesday, that is 3. So we have to exclude only Sunday, so we select this one. Okay. Now just close the bracket and press enter. So this is number of days between these two dates excluding Sunday. So this is very simple formula. By using this you can find number of days between two dates and also number of days excluding Sunday, excluding Monday, because here there is a table. If you want to exclude Saturday, Sunday, then you have to use 1, Sunday, Monday 2, Monday, Tuesday 3, Tuesday, Wednesday 4, 5, 6, 7. For only Sunday, that is code is 11, Monday 12. So everything is given here. By using this you can exclude whatever you want. So hope you understand this formula, and also you can use this formula in your working days if you want to find difference between 2 days and how many days occurs, how many month occurs. So there are different formula for calculating days and calculating month, year, so on. So thank you for watching this. Thank you.